P1, 8.2. Hound dog and round dog went out to catch trout. "Wow!" shouted round dog. "That trout is as big as a cow." Then round dog fell in with a loud splash. "Ouch!" cried round dog. "How did that happen?" "Crouch down in the boat now, so you won't fall in," said Hound dog. Round dog looked up at a big brown cloud. "We're out of gas," growled Hound dog. "I'm hungry," moaned Round dog. "Let's find a spot to eat our chow." Round dog and Hound dog took their chow basket into town. Then a clown gave them 10 strings. "Don't look down," grunted Hound dog. "Safe landings, dogs," yelled the clown. Scout was 7 and a big, big grouch. "Let's bounce on this couch, Scout," said Ken, but Scout just frowned. "Let's pick flowers," said Pam, but Scout just pouted. Scout's mom and dad took her to a show, but Scout still looked sad. Then one day, Scout found a big, sad yellow dog. "How can I make you glad, Count D?" Scout asked. Scout gave Count D dog food. Scout gave Count D a bath. Scout got down on the ground and growled like a dog. Then Scout took Count D outside. Count D and Scout played. Bow wow! Bow wow! It was a loud racket, and Scout started to smile.